Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce the database that I created for my Amazon business. When I started selling on Amazon, I was looking for software which I could use to track my inventory, sales, expenses, refunds, and miles driven for the business. I tried to find a cheaper software as I didn't want it to add a lot to my startup cost. After looking at various softwares, I couldn't find anything less than $80. So at this point, I decided to put my Excel expertise to work and design this application. And once this application was completed, I decided to share this application with other e-commerce sellers too, as there are a lot of people out there who are struggling with their e-commerce business bookkeeping. Now, this database is actually a spreadsheet, but when you start using it, it hardly feels like that you're using a spreadsheet. I've designed this application in a way that it uses forms to enter data. You don't have to go into specific tables to enter data and perform calculations. It does that everything on its own. In this video, I will give you an overview of how this application looks like and how different reports looks like. And if you want a complete tutorial on how this application works, you can click on the link in the description below. Dashboard will give you a brief overview of your profit, sales, product sold, cost of goods sold, estimated revenue, and expenses. These are six different charts which can be filtered by these slicers. And this data over here will give you an overview of your sales, fees paid, cost of goods sold, revenue, and this is the miles that you drove your car for the business. This is the total expenses. Now, all of this data can be filtered by using these slicers. Now let's go ahead and move to the data entry part, how you can enter data. So to add inventory, all you'll click is just add new inventory, and this form opens up. You fill it up, click save, and your data is saved. And same way, it's add new sales. We have add new expense and add new trip. And this is search product, where you can search any product by using this merchant SKU. This is to modify the inventory. For example, if you want to change the product source or product name or the purchase price or the sale price, you can do that from here. And this form is to add refunds. And these two are just links to FBA Calculator and Seller Central. Now let's move on to the reports. So this is your first report. That is your inventory report, and you can filter it by the date. And this is just June. And if you just want to see August, September, there you go. All right, let's go back, and this is the sales report. Same way filter works. And if you go back, this is the expense report. This will display detailed expenses. This is the mileage report, the miles you drove your car for your business. And you can claim that at the end of the year as long as you have the receipts and you have this report printed. And this is the refunds report. I've designed these reports in a way where you can easily print them out, and printing instructions are right here. And you can also get more details in the tutorial video. Now this is your profit and loss statement, which you can print at the end of the month. It's totally up to you. You want it for a week, a month, or a full year. You can just change the dates by clicking on the cells right here. Okay, now this form, this page is, this sheet is actually a report which you can print. Now, as you can see, these two displays, these are two barcodes. This is the UPC code, this is the merchant barcode. Now, I've designed this application in a way that this application is 100% compatible with any UPC barcode scanner. So when you add new inventory using the barcode, and once you save it, that data gets also saved over here, and you can print this report to enter sales, to enter refunds, to search products, and this is the barcode that you will use for everything, to search, to add refunds, to add sales. As you can see now, this is a small calculator that I built. This is the shipping, this is the sales price calculator, this is for the bundle price calculator. Oh yeah, we've got this. And this product report is something you can, for example, if you want to get a detailed analysis of a product, that what is the per unit profit, loss, and return on investment, you can do that over here. This is the sales. This gives you a report that how many items you've sold and what was the ROI in dollars and what was the ROI in percentage. And this gives you the current inventory status. If you go to database, now database is something where all the data gets saved. That is the inventory database, and this is the sales database. Again, for the complete details, you can watch the video, a complete tutorial video, and the link is in the description below. And this is the settings tab where you can add more items to these tables. These are all of these are for those drop-down menus where you can click on it and you see all of these options. If you want to add something to that list, you can just click on here, type the name, and you can add that item to that list. Okay, so this was the introduction video of this database. I would recommend checking out the complete tutorial video so you can get a better idea how this application works. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the section below, and please be sure to click the like button. Again, thank you. Thank you for your time.